So another follow-up. This is the Joe Snyder Mini Cheeky Infinity Brief. 80% polyamide, 20% elastane. It's size medium. It's actually been a long time since I bought a Joe Snyder. Their collection is pretty deep, and I kind of had one of many of their different styles. But man, this is a medium. Look how, for me, this looks like a small. This is so surprisingly small for a medium. It's not. It's smaller than the other mediums that I bought from them. Sometimes mesh is always a little bit smaller, so that could be one aspect going on here. It still fits, but it's noticeably more tight. And this one is fun because it has that Rio mini cheek look. Still a thong, but the exotic thing of this one is it has a fun kind of hole in the front. And it's kind of neat in that it's different in that it overlaps here, and it'll keep your package down, and you just have the kind of the skin showing through if you want. Otherwise, you can pull things up and poke it out. So that's kind of a fun option. It's certainly a different look when you just see skin here. Happy I got this one. I like the color. The mesh is fun. It's different than what I commonly have bought from them. I like it. Recommend.